Okay, good evening. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. What I will be presenting to you tonight will be the proper way on how to connect two wires by soldering. What I did is that I shortened the what do you call this two two probes of my multitester. Okay, it's too long, so I just shorten it. Okay, so it's easy to use without entanglement. The number one procedure on how to connect this one by soldering is try to remove the insulation on this end here, then try to sandpaper it. You try to sandpaper because there is an insulation, so when you try to solder it without insulation, the solder could penetrate the wire and it could connect it very strong to the other one, and so with the other one. So what I will be doing is I open this portion here without the insulation, I solder it, and so with the other one. Then I try to bend the end of the first one, and so with the second one, then I'll do it like this. Okay. So what we did is that we entangle two wires like this. The insulation is removed already. So what is only needed now is to solder it. And to solder this one, for it to be strong, there should be a helping hand. This is the helping hand. Right? This is the helping hand. So I will raise the helping hand. I will try to support the other end like this. Then the other end will be like this. So it seems somebody is helping us. That's why this is the so-called helping hand. Okay, we clip it here, then we clip it here, and this is the connection that we will be doing. Okay. The next thing we will do is to plug in our soldering gun. This is hot already. This is hot. See? This is hot. This is ready to solder. The next thing we will do is to put some soldering phase on the connection. This is a soldering phase. This is a toxic thing, so when this one smokes, don't try to inhale it. So we'll get a soldering phase. We put it on the connection that we will be doing. Okay, you apply solder on the connection that we will be doing. Okay, this is ready for soldering. So what we need is that a hot soldering gun, and a solder. This is the solder, right? I think this is a 60-40 thing. The 10 portion is 60 and the other one is 40%. Okay, so I will be soldering this one now since the soldering gun is hot. And the proper way on how to solder is that this is hot already. Like what I said, this is hot. See? So I will try to heat up the connection, making sure that it will not move. So the resulting soldered part will be strong. Okay, that's why we got the helping hand, right? So I will try to heat up this one. Okay, that's hot. Then I will try to put solder on that heated terminal. It won't take long. And that's it. Okay. This is soldered already. So what I did is that I will try to what you call this, protect the tip of my soldering gun. So I will try to loosen the current going in while I am doing something. And the next thing we will do is, this is soldered already, right? So actually we could remove this one now. This is soldered already. Right? So what we need is that we got a, what you call this, heat shrink tubing. This is a heat shrink tubing. It's a tubing that when we try to heat it up, okay, it will act as an insulation for the connection. So for the connection to be strong, we put a heat shrink tubing. Then we place back it here. Okay. Right? We got this other connection. We inserted the heat shrink tubing. Heat shrink meaning the tubing will shrink as we heat it up. And what we need to shrink this one, we need what you call this, we need something to heat it up. So we got a heat gun. So I got a heat gun here. This is rated 1,200 watts. Okay. Just be careful with this one when you are heating it up. Because, okay, I will plug it in now. And if I will try to make the connection strong, I will try to shrink this tubing here. Okay, I will try to shrink that one by using the heat gun. Then I will blow it like this. We are heating the heat shrink tubing. Okay, so we will create an insulation for the open portion of the solid portion. Okay, I will try to hang this one, making sure that the cord is not in contact with the heated portion, right? Because we might have a what you call this short circuit. That's it. So we heated the heat shrink tubing, so the connection is now strong. Okay. Oh, that's the way how to connect wires by using soldering and applying an insulation by using a heat shrink tubing. It's a very thin plastic thing that when you try to heat it up, it will try to shrink and it will create an insulation on the connected or soldered portion. Okay, so this one now, this is now very handy, not so long. So if I will try to use this one on my multi-tester, okay, this goes to the negative ground. Okay, this is not so long, so when you try to use it, you know, you prevent the so-called entanglement. Okay, that's the correct procedure on how to solder or connect two wires by using a solder. Okay, and try to insulate that connection by using a heat shrink tubing, like heat shrink tubing, like this one, right? This will act as the insulation when we try to heat it up. So this is now ready to use. Okay, I will solder the other one and I'm ready to use. This is not too long, so when I am troubleshooting, I prevent the entanglement of the two cords. Okay, and I could work efficiently. Okay, good evening from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes.